Fox 17 Winter Weather Alert.
Well, I was mentioning it just a few minutes ago about how much snow we've seen this season already. Doesn't look like we're going to see a lot more outside of this evening through the rest of the December in 2024, but we're sitting about 9.5 inches above average for snowfall up through this point, seeing almost 31 inches in Grand Rapids. Areas like Muskegon have actually seen even more than that, upwards of about 40 inches. Now, compared to last season, just 3 inches here, and the season as a whole only had 47. So you can see we are well on our way to surpassing that 47.5-inch number. We're already 3/4 of the way there. Now, as it looks with this system, still a lot of snow over in Wisconsin. The low center just north of Chicago, sliding pretty much due east, but it is bringing in some warmer air with the south wind. That's why we're seeing some rain showers along the immediate lakeshore, and then snow inland as cooler air is over the land right now versus the warmer waters of Lake Michigan. Grand Rapids sitting right at 33, but it's warm enough that the roadways are not really being impacted by any precipitation. It's all melting on contact and staying fairly wet. Well, notice the warmest air, though, 40s down in the Quad Cities. On the backside of this system, we are looking at a pretty good warm-up in not through Christmas, but through New Year's. Temperatures could be consistently in the 40s. Tonight, temperatures will fluctuate a little bit, expected to fall back briefly below freezing, at least for a couple of hours, 31, maybe near 30, especially north of Grand Rapids, back to the upper 20s. So you can see, though, the coolest air starts to leave us Tuesday afternoon through Christmas and then the 26th on through the last weekend of December. We just get warmer and warmer and warmer. A large high pressure sets up to our south and east, and it keeps us quiet here in West Michigan temperature-wise, but we will track some rain chances as we get into the weekend as well. Kind of gradually building that warm air from the south is actually going to bring in some Gulf moisture and just some natural instability as dew points are going to get pretty high as well. So some light rain will build in there. For now, winter weather advisory, Eaton County, Ionia County, Montcalm County, and then our northern counties of the viewing area until 11 p.m. Still watching for sleet, freezing rain briefly, and then some snow as well. And you can see the snow will still be falling in parts of Kalamazoo, Battle Creek, just because of the road temperatures as they currently stand. Not looking at a lot of impacts from that unless you're north of I-96 or east of US 131. You can see along the lakeshore pretty much just rain there. We may see a few flurries tomorrow, but overall I think it'll be mostly cloudy, and those flurry areas are going to remain quite light. But notice tonight we could still see another 1.5 inches or so of fresh new snow north of I-96. That'll give them a pretty good chance at a white Christmas. But Grand Rapids to the south, no snow in the next 2 days. Going to see the last of what's on the grassy surfaces melt away as we roll into the last week of December.